and let's explore more.
Okay.
Which ones we did? Website generator, writing we did, image generator. Will AI help me in shopping also?
Hopefully.
Okay. What does it do?
Let's see. Wireless AirPods. So basically, this is how you can just go and have a conversation with it. So it will search on Amazon, take the reviews and all that.
Got it.
And इनको इनका commission भी मिलता है.
Acha. Oh wow, you get the Amazon link directly.
Yep. And I feel there was one more interesting thing which I really liked also. That fun for writing and stuff. Of course, you can write stuff.
What it is? What is it for productivity?
Productivity is more about photo real estate,
resume and all.
And then you have for education, you have a write anything, universal tutor me. And then you can also astrology, birth, chatgpt, fitness. You can take Kundali out of it. If you're a mental patient, you can go to therapist. And generally, I'm speaking Kushal. One of the best thing of GPT is this GPT, which is therapist, and it talks so good that you feel relaxed after talking to it.
Seriously?
You want to talk?
Yeah, just go there.
Okay.
You only talk, but yeah, just click on that. I don't need a therapy. Touch wood. I won't need also. Let's see. But
yeah, man, you just take some example. I don't know.
I'm just kidding. But yeah, any example. It's there. No, I just had a fight with my boss. Okay, go ahead.
Let's take some Indian context example.
Indian context. Yeah, I broke up with my girlfriend. That is the best example. And you are smiling because you have had this recently, I think. So I think this will be relatable. It was 2 years. Okay.
Bro, this is not me. It is just one of my
assumptions. That stuff to the long run. I imagine you're feeling something. What happened? You want to talk about it?
Tell me.
You only talk now. Tell whatever you want. I make a fictional story, no?
Okay.
She cheated on me.
No way.
Damn, that's brutal. I'm really sorry. There can be
And this also talks on calls. You can talk to therapists on calls. Yes.
So yes. Can you do that?
Yeah, therapist.
Wow. What is this one? Earkick.com.
Yeah. Of course, they are paid. Everything is paid.
Okay.
Will not get, but you'll get a call from Plan A type of thing.
Wow.
And she'll be good.
Yeah, I saw a podcast of Joe Rogan and Elon Musk recently. I don't know if you see that.
Yeah.
They were in the first 4-5 minutes, they were talking to some AI tool and they were having a lot of banter. It was very similar to Bland AI, but that AI tool was like she was abusing and all. So I don't know. I mean,
so one more thing which I like, and Elon is a great person in terms of what he built. G-Rock.
What is G-Rock?
Like GPT structure.
Okay.
And there's a deep search. Deep search is just search more deep, and it's like think. You can think also. But tell me some of the most viral tweets in sales space.
Wow. It'll give you.
Let's see.
Wow. Yeah, this will be very helpful for my research also. Tweet concise or reply. Proven creators.
There you go. And now what you can do, you can take the specific accounts.
No, but do they send the links of those tweets?
Yeah.
Where?
I think I just have to deep research. And give me the links of some of the most viral tweets of Alex Hormozi.
Wow.
Here is likes में sort किया.
Yeah.
Again, it takes a bit of time, not just small, but a bit of time. Just like Manus, because it is thinking like a human. Here we go. You got it.
Oh wow, we got the most viral tweets.
Yeah. It's
Really
getting-
good. Really good is not viral, no.
No. I think
Ah,
he'll
this
give it to
is-
you.
yeah.
It's not yet. It's refining.
Yeah. Nice.
And really good is good, dude. Really
oh,
good.
achha, really? Actually, yeah. It was the photo. I thought he just wrote really good.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Iran Jagrata for improving.
Question the required
personal
optimize it,
identity.
right?
Yeah.
You see that, Tanasa?
Oh yeah. This is cool, yeah. This is too cool.
So I also use Jira
Wow.
on daily basis. I mean, when I want to
Crazy.
do find something stuff.
Hmm.
और एक काम करता हूँ, you know, one of the competitor research. So my competitor company is Apollo.io. Find out the people who have used Apollo, like whoever commented and all that. So what I can do, I can just reach out to those people who commented their frustration about Apollo into their comments. And I can say that, hey, ditch Apollo, use Second Brain.
Oh,
Crazy. So this is how one thing can be done. Now, some people wants to get a sponsorships, sponsorship karna hai. So find out the companies. So just like in Manus, you do research and stuff and then you get stuff.
Sorry. Hmm.
But yeah, I mean, G-Rock is another great example of doing things. And it's Elon's tool, no
So this
filtering.
is of Twitter, is it?
Yeah, Twitter.
Oh.
X.
Yeah, X. Sorry. And what is DeepSeek? How is that different?
DeepSeek is equivalent to your GPT.
Mhm.
So DeepSeek came and said, so they go, when GPT came,
Sorry.
yeah, please.
You
Okay.
continue. I'll trim this part. Huh?
Okay, so when GPT came, what they said it cost billions and billions of dollars to build an LLM.
What is
of this
LLM?
quality. GPT like conversation,
What is the full form?
large language models.
Hmm.
So to build that LLM who is able to do your task, just like GPT is an LLM. So to build that thing, it costs billions and billions of dollars. DeepSeek came and told that just by spending millions, you can get as equivalent as what DeepSeek. And there's a shocking thing that wiped out again. The whole news was around that. 1 trillion market gone and a lot of things happened around that time when it came. But usually it's again a Chinese market. So we cannot trust anything literally what these guys say. Let's go ahead. They have the think and they have the search. They all have copied each other. But everybody has different set of requirements.
So how is this different from ChatGPT? But
Not different at all.
it's the
It's
same.
built on top of it.
Okay.
We suspect that it's built on top of it. And they have just done in 6 millions.
$6 million.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Wow.
And even if it is wow, we don't trust, of course, because we feel that 6 million में आपको एक दिन का भी training नहीं होता है. No, where we feel. So they have done something crazy, of course, innovative, but at the same time, they are not telling the right truth.
And this is free of cost.
This is free of cost.
And I can upload any PDF, any Excel
Anything.
sheet also.
So if somebody wants GPT, जिनके पास 2,000 रुपए नहीं है, go here.
Okay.
They build it for free.
So why are you using ChatGPT and not DeepSeek?
Better in terms of the conversation's quality and in terms of privacy issues, because we are very particular about the conversation which we are having. So I don't want this to be given out to anybody. It should be particular, very randomized. And मैं अपने GPT में allow भी नहीं किया हूँ to use it for my training purposes. So all that thing.
Hmm.
And I feel if people don't have money, for this time, Manus and DeepSeek is the king of everything. And they are free. They are making कि आप उनका आदत लगाओ. It's like just like Geo what they did. आदत लगाओ. And once you are dependent on Manus, they'll make it like $100 a month. $100 very easily.
Yeah, ultimately it's making your life easier and you're becoming addicted to them, no?
Yeah. अब
Right.
जीपीटी चला जाए, अगर वो $20 का हटा दिया ना, मैं 200 भी दूंगा.
Ah.
200 हटाए मैं 400 भी दूंगा.
Why so much?
I'll tell
How
you.
much cost does it save if you tell me like कितना पैसा बचा है AI ने?
मैंने अपने 5 आउट टीचर को हटा दिया. 20-20 हजार रुपए को देता था पहला.
Okay, so 1 lakh rupees per month.
फिर मैंने ना जो भी मेरे असिस्टेंट मतलब कि यार छोटे छोटे टास्क करने के लिए एज इंटर्न्स होते कोडिंग के लिए, मान लो 2 थे, खत्म हो गए, वो भी चले गए.
कितना क्या कॉस्ट था?
15 हजार रुपए मान लो, 15,000 rupees for both of them. Then we had an email guy. What he used to do, he used to find out the competitors and used to do it. Again 7,000 rupees for that. Removed it. Now ऐसे ही छोटे छोटे कॉस्ट करके ना मैं एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 लाख रुपए तो बचाता हूँ in terms of money at the moment. In terms of time, अगर वो आउटरीचर 10 दिन लेता था ना करने में, वी डू इट इन 1 डे. सो इतना कम टाइम पे वो बेनिफिट हो रहा है. सो टाइम, रिसोर्सेज एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ आउटपुट्स better than any humans.
So like you're saving around 2-3 lakhs a month
Yes.
using AI.
Yes, yes,
Which
yes.
is what
I
36
think-
lakhs per annum.
Yes, we save more than that also in at a times. जैसे अगर हमें कॉपी राइटिंग ही करनी है अपनी वेबसाइट की, एक कॉपी राइटर को हायर करने के लिए आपको 20,000 रुपए लगेंगे. बट फॉर दिस जीपीटी थोड़ा दिमाग तो लगता है. ऑफकोर्स यू हैव टेल द सेम थिंग व्हिच विल टेल द ह्यूमन, बट here you will do it in just whatever cost you're getting. So that's why I cannot compromise, and it has the best quality, I feel. I mean, जब तक आप एक पूरे एक्सपीरियंस को हायर नहीं करते हो, it has the best quality.
Got it. And what are your views on the videos which people are making nowadays using AI? Let's say Heijen and all. So reels and all भी Heijen वगैरह से बना रहे हैं. So how can one use Heijen and all these tools?
See, Kushal, I feel कि AI has not matured enough to be able to create. I am very honest. I used to work in one of the company where what they were trying to do, they were trying to give the same, जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन है ना, उसको जर्मन लैंग्वेज में बुलवा रहा था, and acting on that. As in 2020, when I was 2021, it was 2021. At that time, we were seeing that this is how it is growing, and from the technology which we have, I don't think कि लोगों को करना चाहिए at the first place. It will be able to do some sort of task. But अगर जैसे थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऐड होता है ना, जैसे अभी क्या है ना, आपको कुछ बेच दिया, अब आप इसको क्वेश्चंस करते जाओगे, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इसकी बढ़ेगी. सो इट इज इंप्रूविंग ऑल्सो. ओवर देयर इज जस्ट दिस which eventually hinders your quality. So I'm not in support of any videos or calls at this point of time. Bland AI को 2 मिनट में break किया जा सकता है. I mean, it is not a big thing. They're trying to do something. They're trying to see how we can improve it. So if people, of course, they can just use it, whatever tools are available. Instead, what they should do, they should just use a particular tool for feeding in. Take intelligent information from GPT, feed that thing over there, and see how it comes across. Instead of just telling them also to come up with the right information.
Right. No, awesome. Fair. Very, very interesting. Any other AI tool you think we are missing out or which you want to cover and show people?
I think we are good in terms of AI tools. The mindset should be, which I particularly believe, do not rely on AI tools. आज एक जाएगा तो कल दूसरा आएगा. And that is the continuous nature of current AI tools. Don't be dependent upon that. Be dependent upon your thinking process, that how can you use the current stuff. मतलब कि if you were to tell a human, this is how you do it. If I were to tell an AI, this is how you do it. Go to GPT, tell you this is the task. Would you be able to do it? If not, suggest me some AI which, and of course, every AI tools has some cost related towards it. Have some minimalistic infrastructure. Twitter का जैसे आप 650 वाला लोगे तो आपको G-Rock मिल जाएगा. Then GPT, अगर GPT के लिए पैसा नहीं है, DeepSeek. और एजेंटिक मॉडल के लिए अगर G-Rock पे नहीं जा रहे हो, Manus is the king of now everything. Manus is built on top of CloudNet. So सब एक दूसरे से बहुत ही इंटरैक्ट कर रहे हैं. They are not out of it. They are interacting with each other. And आपको बस figure out करना है कि how to ask the right thing to be able to get the right thing.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.